signed?
Tararam Pam Pam.
Tararam Pam Pam. This is your second film.
Soldier was my third film.
Your third film.
My second film was a film called Kya Yehi Pyar Hai, which is also being produced by Tips.
Who is Soldier?
Who is Soldier? I wish I was Soldier. Bobby is the Soldier. But I don't think anybody should confuse the film with the title, as in Soldier, and think it's a film with an army background. It's not the literal sense the film has soldier, but the figurative sense, as in a soldier is a person who has a fixed goal, who's striving for one particular thing in mind, and there's discipline in him, and his basic aim is that one particular thing, and he's doing it for self-esteem, for his country. There's a feeling of an exhilarating feeling, it's not for love, it's not for money, it's for a good purpose. So it's like that.
How would you define Soldier as?
I would define it as a very slick, excellent pace, a film with a very good plot, very lavishly shot, very stylishly shot, and fabulous music.
Good night.
because of dancing and what was the dance about? Like,
Well, we're shooting a song which is a situational song on a Valentine's Day sequence, and it's a very fast Punjabi track, like a real pataka track. So there's a lot of energy, सब ठक 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 करके नाच रहे हैं, छलांगे मार रहे हैं, but very nice song. और आप उसको देखना, उस गाने को, बहुत ज़बरदस्त गाना शूट हुआ है.
could you define yourself as in the film?
Well, I'm playing the character of this young girl who's very rich, who is very arrogant. वो गरूर जो आता है ना पैसे के साथ, that kind of arrogance. She thinks everything will come like this to her. But she's not living in India. She's born in India, but she lives out of India. The film moves to that country where she's living, and but she has very strong undertones of an Indian woman, Indian girl in her. Her mentality is very Indian. Emotion is very Indian, and as the film progresses, there's no definition of the character when you see her. You just see her as a young, bubbly, rich girl, but it's a situational character. The more situations happen, the more you discover little things about her sensibility, about how sweet she is, how innocent she is, how she falls in love, and how much substance she has, how much strength of character she has. Through every situation you discover it. It's not already laid out initially,
Tell us something about Tips producing a film, and Tips is a music company. तो obviously music पे बहुत जोर होगा.
वो तो है, लेकिन for me I have Tips has been my first producers. My first film जिस पिक्चर में मैंने कैमरा फेस किया वो सोल्जर थी सॉरी. और Tips is I think my favorite producers because I have two films with them. Ramesh ji, my first film was Tara Ram Pam Pam, but we didn't shoot for it. But my two films that I signed and I started shooting for was with Tips, and he had immense confidence in me. That, he took me for these films, and the production value of this film is fabulous. The music is very good, and he's a really nice man.
कैसा लगा आपको बॉबी के साथ काम करना?
बहुत अच्छा. बॉबी को मैं पहले से जानती हूँ. सो द प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ वर्किंग विद हिम वाज कि जब मैं सेट पे आई तो मुझे आई डिडंट हैव टू गेट टू नो हिम एंड बी कंफर्टेबल विद हिम. आई ऑलरेडी न्यू हिम, सो दैट वाज वेरी कंफर्टिंग टू मी, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम फेसिंग द कैमरा. इतना बड़ा सेट लगा हुआ है, 200 डांसर्स, गाना पिक्चराइज हो रहा है, और मैं पहली बार सेट में आई. मेरा पहला शॉट था कि बॉबी मेरा हाथ पकड़ता है और मुझे खींचता है. तो इट वाज रियली नाइस, क्योंकि वो अब्बास भाई, मुस्तन भाई तो बहुत ही अच्छे थे, लेकिन बॉबी ऑल्सो वाज लाइक great moral support, saying yeah, don't worry, we'll do this film together, it'll be a great film, and he's fabulous to work with.
So how was it working with Abbas ji and Mastan ji? मतलब like how much liberty did you get from them?
Abbas bhai, Mustan bhai as people are very humble people. Well, बहुत सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, वेरी डिसेंट. मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरा दूसरा दिन सेकेंड डे ऑफ शूटिंग था, एंड मैं सेट पे आई और खड़ी हुई थी, और अब्बास भाई और मुस्तन भाई बैठे हुए थे. तो वो उठ गए और कहते प्रीति आओ बैठो बैठो. एंड आई सेड नो अब्बास भाई, आई लाइक टू स्टैंड. अरे नहीं, आई सेड आप बैठिए. हम कैसे बैठ सकते हैं, हमारी हीरोइन खड़ी है. उन्होंने मुझे कभी न्यू कमर है तो चलो, कभी वैसे ट्रीट नहीं किया. जैसे वो माधुरी को ट्रीट करेंगे वैसे मुझे ट्रीट किया. एंड मैंने आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम. दे ब्रिलियंट टेक्नीशियंस. वो एक छोटे कमरे में सो जाएंगे लेकिन पिक्चर में कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करेंगे. और वो दो है तो यू नो सेट पे आपको चार आंखें देखती है यू नो. तो कभी बॉबी और मेरा सीन टुगेदर है तो मैं कभी गुफ अप नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मुस्तन भाई देख रहे होते हैं या अब्बास भाई देख रहे होते हैं.
हम बाजू में खड़ा कैसे बोलेंगे?
How's you feeling right now?
मुझे बहुत दुख हो रहा है यू नो. मैं तो चाहूँगी कि मैं अब्बास भाई के साथ मुस्तन भाई के साथ एक और पिक्चर करूँ क्योंकि इस फिल्म में I've had a great experience. I've had a great experience in all my films. But this unit was like home to me, you know, this whole feeling. I was so comfortable. And वो मुझे कहेंगे कि आप तीसरे फ्लोर से, बोलेंगे तो नहीं पर अगर वो बोलेंगे कि आप तीसरे फ्लोर से छलांग मार दें, I can trust these directors and do it. Because I know अगर मैं छलांग मारूंगी तो उन्होंने नीचे कोई बंदोबस्त किया होगा कि मैं टांग टूंग नहीं तोड़ूंगी. अच्छा हो गया.
I wish you all the best.
थैंक यू.